Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel Yeti Cooks. I hope you are doing wonderfully well. In today's video, let's prepare this simple yet delicious bean stew my way. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. So I have my beans which I've already washed and I soak it overnight. This is 2 cups which I'm going to use. And also for my pepper mix, I have some carrot, pepper, fennel seeds, garlic and ginger, and also bell pepper. I have my beans already in my pot. I will add some water, go in with some onion, and allow this to boil on a medium heat. So this is after some minutes. I will just give it a quick stir and then cover it again. If you are new to my channel, I'm Getty and you are welcome to my channel where I share easy food recipe. If it is something you like, kindly consider subscribing to my channel and be part of this beautiful and amazing family. So after an extra minute checking on the beans, it is well cooked. You can see it from your screen. So I'll just go ahead and add some salt and then give it a stir and let it be on the fire for an extra 5 minutes. This is after 5 minutes. This is how I want it, so I will just take it off and proceed with our stew. So into a pot, I'll go in with my jomi oil. I will then add my cured fish, that's my momoni, and also go in with some onion and then stir this. So I'm going to allow this to fry for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, I'll go in with my pepper mix, which I showed you guys earlier on. So I'm going to give this a gentle stir. Then after that, I will cover it and let it be on the fire for 10 minutes. Checking on the sauce, guys, I will just go ahead and then give it a quick stir. I will then go in with my chopped tomatoes. If you have tomato paste, please feel free to use it. I also added some frozen meat and then stir everything together. So I will cover it and let it be on the fire for more minutes. So after 15 minutes, I will stir it gently. Thank you so much. If you are still watching this video up to this time, I do appreciate it. And please hit the like button and also share this video among your friends and family, and I'll be very grateful. So at this point, our stew is doing so well and I'm just giving it a quick stir. So I'll go in with some all-purpose seasoning, some seasoning cube. I'll also add some shrimp powder and then add some salt to taste. I will then mix everything together. Okay, so I want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscriber. Thank you for the love and support you have shown me by liking my video, watching, and also leaving a comment under my post. I'm truly grateful and God bless you all. I wouldn't have been here without you guys. To my new subscribers, thank you guys. You people are so amazing. So I added some smoked mackerel, which is optional, and at this point the stew is well cooked. So I went ahead to scoop some aside and then went in with my cooked beans. So guys, I will stir everything until the beans is well incorporated with the stew. You can follow or watch me on Facebook. The name is Getty Cooks and it is free. You can also watch my short videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube short as well, guys. So at this point, I'll just stir the stew gently, and the aroma smells so amazing, guys. This is a recipe you can make, and trust me, you will love it. So at this point, I'll go in with my red onion and then stir gently. I will go ahead and then cover it. Alright guys, so I will pair this bean stew with some kakru, and you can also serve this with ripe plantain if that is what you have available. So what I'm doing at this moment is I'm just flipping for the other side of the kakru to fry very well, and when it is well fried or golden brown, I'll just take it off from the oil. Okay fam, so now our kakru is well fried. Just look at the golden brown color, and I'll let this rest on the paper towel to get rid of any excess oil. Then after that, we'll go back to check on our bean stew. So if you're still watching up to this time, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and share this video. So back to our bean stew. Just look at the lovely outcome, guys. This recipe was quick and easy to put together with just some few ingredients. You can make this and your family will love it a lot. So now it is well cooked and ready to be served. Okay guys, so I went ahead to serve the bean stew with my kakru, and here we have it now, looking so delicious and inviting. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this time. I'm truly grateful. Please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Till then, see you in my next one. Bye.